Well, good morning. Second day into the Dales Way. Where are we going, Richard? Outer Shore?
Outer Shore.
17 mile. Matt here putting all my hundreds of pounds in my account that he owes me. Lucy's just putting a bag on. Hey? So as you all know, I've borrowed Matt a tent and we've come to set it up and I've brought the wrong poles, so Matt's had to bunk up with me, and wow, that guy can snow. So yeah, we've got Outer Shore, 17 miles again. Richard's the navigator, as per, and we'll bring you back when we get there, or when we stop off. And there's a few villages, isn't there, Richard? That
there's a couple of places
that we can go
Kettle
in.
Well for a cup of tea,
yeah.
Potentially breakfast, sandwich, brick and cob.
That's about 5 mile away.
Yeah.
We're just going to nip to the Nisa now, I think, and then we're cracking. So I'll bring you back. See you in a bit. I think we're about 2 mile in. We're walking over the tops to get to Kettlewell village, which is 5.5 mile away, and it's like 300 metres elevation with a 15 kg rucksack on. I've got the biggest blood blister on my foot. There's them way in front. Expecting pure storms today, like I say. Hope you're videoing everything, just as and when. I can be arsed, to be honest, because it's not easy. So you're carrying, you're going up ruins like this, but in the middle of nowhere. But it's all for a good cause. That kid love you, mate. Wish he was here. Coming in close, that. Look at that. We're still walking, son, still walking. 2 mile to go. Right, so we've just got, what's this called, Richard?
Nethergill Farm.
Nethergill Farm. And we're in the barn. We're drying our gear out. The owners have given us a maiden, if you can see it. And give us some wood. Put on the fire. Thawing out here. That's Matt's bed. He's getting shifted. That's his massive airbed. Good side of that.
What are the feed weeks now?
We'll have some fire pot, chili con carne shortly. There's a microwave. It's all honesty boxes, or you can pay it through a QR code, which I have done. So, toilet. This is all on a campsite, this guys, for an, you know, so you can use the facilities. Kitchen, microwave. Well, there's the price. The price list. I don't think you can see this. That's the price. 150 for the brewed coffee, 150. Fruit tea, 150. Squash, 50p. They've got to make a living. They get no help. Flapjacks are what? £2. And that big bleeder is 350. Crisp at 80p. And the cans are 150. And the owner said if it gets too bad, the rain outside, he don't mind us camping down in here. On Nethergill Farm.
It's crazy to see it. So it was Pennygate that was seen before.
It was, yeah.
So yeah, we're all Richard there, Matt's pretending he's but yeah, drying our gear out. I'm going to put some more wood now on that fire.
Yeah.
Looks lovely and toasty in here, we're all dried out. So yeah, just having a brew. Caramel coffee, lovely. So day 3, what's it tomorrow, Richard?
Here to Dent.
From
15.
here to Dent, it's 15 mile, which is 8 today.
Today was 18.
Today we've done 18. Yesterday we've done 17. So tomorrow it's 15, and we might treat ourselves tomorrow to a bit of a room and B&B, whatever. So yeah, we'll bring you back tomorrow, let you know how we went on. See you in a bit. Right, third day. Where have we stayed again? It's in Nethergill Farm
In Aldershot.
in Aldershot in a barn. It was a lifesaver because outside it's just torrential. So today it's 15 miles to Dent for the third day, and we'll be over halfway when we've completed today. So I'll do as much filming as I can, but I don't think I will be able to because of the weather. But I might bring you back when I can. If not, definitely in the hotel. Richard, Matt, Lucy, see you in a bit. Day 3, 15 miler today. Fucking weather is shocking. But we're in an hotel tonight. Wash my spuds, on the score. Feet are in bits, shoulders, everything, but what an experience. Richard, my mate, he's punished me, he's put me through it. It's like being in army. Matt, wherever he is. Whee. So yeah, day 3. Today we'll be over halfway. Have a blessed day. See you later. Fucking hell! We're just in the village of Dent now. That's our B&B. Me and Matt's walking like John Wayne. Fucking hell, man. Look at this. Hi mate, Georgian Dragon. Wow, this is amazing. There mate. Up here.
Okay. That's how it is.
Is it? Sure.